If you want to connect Mailchimp to LearnWorlds, the easiest way to do it is with Zapier. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full setup step by step so you can automate your workflow, save time, and keep your contacts organized without doing everything manually. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside Zapier, look for the Create button and click it. This is where you can start building a new automation, also known as a Zap. Next, click on Zaps. That will take you into the setup flow where you can choose your trigger and action apps. The trigger is the event that starts the automation, and the action is what happens after that event. Now click on Trigger. This is the first part of the Zap, so you need to choose the app that will start the workflow. In the search bar, type LearnWorlds and select it from the list. Once you choose LearnWorlds, Zapier will ask you to pick an event. Select any event that matches what you want to track, such as a new user, enrollment, or another LearnWorlds activity. After selecting the event, log into your LearnWorlds account when prompted. This connects LearnWorlds to Zapier so it can monitor the event you chose. Make sure you allow the connection and complete any authorization steps that appear on the screen. Now it's time to set up the action. Click on Action to move to the second part of the automation. In the app search, click Mailchimp. This tells Zapier that Mailchimp will be the app that receives the information from LearnWorlds. Just like before, click on Choose an Event and select the Mailchimp action you want to use. Depending on your goal, this could be adding a subscriber, updating a contact, or sending data into a specific audience workflow. Choose the option that fits your setup best. Then log into your Mailchimp account when Zapier asks you to. This gives Zapier permission to send the data into Mailchimp. Once your account is connected, you can continue to the next step. At this point, you'll want to click Build it in the top area. Zapier may offer a guided setup or templates to help you finish the automation faster. If you see that option, use it to speed up the process and confirm that your LearnWorlds to Mailchimp connection is configured correctly. Now click Test Run. This is an important step because it lets you check whether Zapier is pulling the right data from LearnWorlds and sending it to Mailchimp successfully. If the test works, you'll know your automation is ready. Once the test is successful, click Publish. This turns your draft into a live automation, and from that point on, Zapier will handle the connection between LearnWorlds and Mailchimp automatically. And that's it. You've now linked Mailchimp to LearnWorlds using Zapier. This setup is great for automating email marketing, onboarding new students, and keeping your audience synced without extra manual work. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.